Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my video series on data science. In today's video, we are diving into the descriptive reporting using Python. We will be exploring how to summarize and aggregate the past data to extract the valuable insights. Data analytics can be broken down into four key types. Descriptive analysis focuses on summarizing the historic data and identifying trends or patterns. Diagnostics looks deeper into the data to determine the cause of the events or trends. Predictive analysis uses historic data and models to forecast the potential future outcomes. Prescriptive analysis suggests actionable steps or decisions based on the insights from the data. In this course, we are primarily focusing on the descriptive and the predictive analysis. Descriptive reporting focuses on summarizing and aggregating the past data to extract the actionable insights. For our analysis, we will be using a dataset that contains information about various tracks, including their artists, views, likes, comments, and stream. This dataset will allow us to perform the various types of analysis. Here are 10 descriptive questions relevant to our dataset which we need to answer using Pandas functions. Question number 1. How many tracks are there in each album type? In our first task, we need to count the number of tracks for each album type. For this, we will use the value counts function. This will give us a breakdown of the unique album types and the number of tracks in each category. We can see here that the most of the tracks belong to the album category with over 14,900 tracks. Singles make up around 5,000 tracks and compilation have the smallest count, just under 800. Question 2. How many licensed tracks are available for each album type? We will use the cross tabulation to compare the album type and the official video columns. This will show us the count of licensed tracks versus the unlicensed ones for each album type. Cross tabulation or crosstab is used to analyze the relationship between two or more categorical variables. In Pandas, the pd.crosstab function is commonly used for this purpose, allowing users to create a contigency table that displays the frequency distribution of variables. Question 3. What is the total number of views for each artist? We also need to sort them in descending order of views. Using Groupby, we can segment our data based on specific columns such as artist or album to calculate the metrics like total number of views or likes, etc. Here we will use the Groupby function on the artist column summarizing the views for each one. We will also sort the values in descending order to find the most popular artist by view count. As expected, Ed Sheeran comes out on the top with over 15.46 billion views, followed by Cocomelon. Question 4. What is the average number of likes, comments, and views for each album type? The aggregate method complements the Groupby by allowing you to apply various aggregation functions such as mean, sum, count, maximum, minimum, etc. to the group data for a comprehensive view of each category. Here we have grouped the data by album type and specified the aggregation function for each feature. We can observe that the album have the highest average views while the singles lead in average likes. Compilation tend to have lower average across the board. Question 5. Which album type has the highest average number of views? To figure out which album type has the highest average views, we can use the Groupby function and the mean on the views column and identify the highest value with the idxmax function. Idxmax returns the index of the maximum value. As we can see, albums have the highest average number of views. Question 6. Find the artists with the maximum views, maximum likes, and maximum comments. Now let's find the artists with the maximum views, likes, and comments individually. For this, we will use the idmax function, which gives us the index of the row with the highest value. Question 7. Which track has the most reactions? In this task, we want to find out which track has the most reaction, which we will define as the sum of likes and comments. Instead of creating a new column, we can directly add the two columns and find the maximum value using idxmax function. It turns out that Despacito has the most reaction. Question number 8. Which artist with the highest cumulative string value across all their tracks? We will group the data by the artist and sum the stream column. Using the idxmax, we can pinpoint the top artist. Post Malone comes in the first with the highest cumulative stream value across all his tracks. Question 9. What is the total number of likes for each artist across their official videos? Now let's look at the total number of likes for each artist's official videos. Using pd.crosstab, we can cross-tabulate the artist and the official video columns and aggregate the likes to see the total engagement. Question 10. Display the correlation of each pair of numerical features. Lastly, let's examine the correlation between our numerical features. We can use the correlation function to create a correlation matrix. This allows us how closely related different features like views, likes, and comments are. The matrix reveals a strong positive correlation between the views and likes, which indicates that the tracks with the most views generally receive more likes. There is also a moderate correlation between the views and the stream. As we conclude this video on descriptive reporting using Pandas, we have seen how can we extract the meaningful insight from a raw data by utilizing functions like Groupby, value counts, and cross-tabulation. These tools allow us to quickly summarize and aggregate the data, uncover the patterns, and better understand the trends. By applying these techniques, we transform the large dataset into concise reports, enabling effective data-driven decision-making. I hope this demonstration has shown you how easy and powerful Pandas is for generating useful descriptive reports from your data. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos on data science and AI. See you next time.